Yes, you. Are you a nurse or becoming a nurse, or even just have an interest in the nursing field? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this message is for you. On August 27th and 28th, from 10 a.m. Eastern U.S. time and 1700 Tanzanian time, you are invited to the Inspirational Pathway of Nursing Conference. Dr. Gaboni in the Quality Healthcare Solution and Consulting Incorporation is inviting a number of amazing panelists in the nursing field. They hold a vast number of experiences that will be shared, and the goal is to inspire the young nurses to engage in further studies, clinical research, and to have a more holistic approach to enrich the nursing profession. Will you join us? Please sign up now for the conference, as we would love to see you there. Elizabeth Adu-Gyamfi. Elizabeth graduated with her degree from Hunter College in Canada in 1998. She then got accepted in the University of Western Ontario for Public Health. She took her electives for her post-RN program and got her grades up to where it needed in order to enter the RN program. During that time, in 1998, Miss Elizabeth received her LPN license in Canada while she was still finishing school. She worked for an agency where she had the opportunity to work on several med-surg and geriatric floors before she was allowed to officially give medication. In 2000, she received her RN license and entered the summer program at the Western, and then received her BSN from the University of Western Ontario in Canada in 2001. Elizabeth worked in the Level 2 labor and delivery from 2001 to 2007 at Credit Valley Hospital in Mississauga, Ontario. Then UCMC Level 3 labor and delivery from 2008 to 2018 as a bedside RN, and then clinical team lead from June 2015 to September 2018. She then entered the Family Nurse Practitioner program in October 2015 at Chamberlain University. She graduated from Chamberlain University in August of 2018 with her MSN FNP certified in 2000. She is currently working at the UC West Chester as a charge RN on a labor and delivery. She started there in 2018 to be closer to home and to look for an NP position. Miss Elizabeth has worked on various projects at both sites and implemented new guidelines to improve patient and RN safety. Let's take a moment to recognize Miss Elizabeth Adu-Gyamfi and give her a warm welcome. Elise Peterson. Elise holds an honors of bachelor's in social science degree in nursing and also in psychology, a post-diploma in nursing education and administration, and a master's degree in psychiatric nursing. Her career started as a lecturer for psychiatric nursing, and she proceeded to deliver clinical nursing services in tertiary and rural hospitals. Her clinical nursing career spans across psychiatric nursing, general nursing, midwifery, and oncology. During her time working in cardiothoracic intensive care units, she had the privilege of delivering person-centered care where her psychiatric nursing background was also fulfilled. Elise has been involved in clinical research for the past 26 years, and she continues her clinical research career as an independent nurse researcher. She has a passion for capacity building with a specific emphasis on clinical research. Elise has research study involvement in psychiatric genetics, colorectal cancer colorectal adenoma polyp prevention, latent tuberculosis infection amongst healthcare workers, and extensive drug-resistant tuberculosis. She has publications in 19 journals, including 3 first author publications in The Lancet, +1 in Tropical Medicine and International Health. She is published in 2 book chapters and has done 15 conference, workshop, and poster presentations. The awards she received include the Bongani Mayosi National Health Scholarship Program in 2013. Ms. Elise holds memberships in a multitude of organizations, including being editorial board for the Primary Healthcare Research and Development for Cambridge Press, board of directors in the International Institute of Clinical Research Nurse, president and founder, board member of the International Association of Clinical Research Nurse, and board of directors for Africa Interprofessional Education Network. Let's take a moment to acknowledge and welcome Madam Elise Peterson. Mr. Mpolya. Mr. Mpolya started his journey when he studied nursing as a first degree. He then went on to do a master's in medical science focusing on health economics and epidemiology. He later on acquired a PhD in theoretical epidemiology and biostatistics. Currently, he works as a senior lecturer in biostatistics and epidemiology at the Nelson Mandela Institute of Science at Ashura. Mr. Mpolya is a nurse who specializes in biostatistics. Let's take a moment to recognize and welcome Mr. Mpolya. Dr. Gwendolyn D. Randall. Dr. Gwendolyn D. Randall is a seasoned, certified registered nurse anesthetist with a broad background in healthcare management and academia. She received a Bachelor's of Science degree from Howard University and Norfolk State University. She also received a Master's of Science in Nurse Anesthesia from St. Joseph's University, Pennsylvania Hospital School of Nurse Anesthesia, a Master of Science in Nursing from Temple University, and a PhD in Nursing from Barry University. She also completed a postdoctoral fellowship in simulation at Belmont University in Nashville, Tennessee. She has lectured nationally and internationally on a broad array of topics. Her passion is global health and health disparities. Dr. Randall takes great pride in her role in providing clinical and didactic instructions to the students in the inaugural class of the Masters in Anesthesia program at Addis Ababa University in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Dr. Randall is a current member of the QHSC. Let's take a moment to acknowledge Dr. Gwendolyn D. Randall and give her a warm welcome. Katunzi and Mutalemwa. Katunzi Mutalemwa is an evolving young Tanzanian nurse leader who obtained his baccalaureate nursing education from the Kilimanjaro Christian Medical University College in Tanzania. He is currently in the process of completing his one-year internship at the Benjamin Mkapa Hospital in Tanzania. Mr. Katunzi was honored to write his Bachelor's of Science in Nursing thesis on nurses' experience of caring for LGBTQ patients with HIV infections, guided by Travel B's human-to-human relationship model at Swedish Red Cross University in Sweden. He is the author of multiple professional articles and books, including the book titled Nursing, the Cornerstone of Healthcare System. This book is to inspire his fellow nurses in Tanzania. He is a former chairperson of the University Nursing Students Association of Tanzania and a founder of Tanzania Youth Nurses Forum. He previously worked as NCD's nursing officer and assistant project manager in NCD's project with organizations of Doctors with Africa in rural areas of Tanzania. Furthermore, he is the managing director of the recently registered NGO's Better Community Health Organization in Tanzania. For years now, he has been organizing various community activities such as blood donation events, massive screening on NCDs, charity giving works, and radio programs on topics regarding health, specifically reproductive health and children's health. Let's take a moment to recognize Mr. Katunzi Mutalemwa and give him a warm welcome. Wilson Fungameza. Wilson is a Tanzanian nurse working at the Muhimbili National Hospital, Mlongozila campus since 2017. He's currently working at the Department of Training, Research, and Consultancy. He earned a degree of Bachelor of Science in Nursing from St. John's University of Tanzania. He is also a clinical instructor at Muhimbili National Hospital, Mlongozila campus. Wilson has succeeded to innovate the so-called improved bubble CPAP device that is used to manage, treat newborn babies with respiratory distress syndrome. He has also managed to write and publish a book for all nurses known as Nursing Diagnosis for Academic and Clinical Practice, first edition in 2021. Wilson received a number of awards from different aspects due to his contribution and achievements in the nursing profession in 2021. The first award was on February 11, 2021, and it was a certificate of recognition as Nurse Innovator in Healthcare Professional from the Ministry of Health, Community and Development, Gender, Elderly, and Children. The second award was received on February 23, 2021, and is a certificate of recognition for creativity in nursing professional from the Muhimbili National Hospital, Mlongozila. The third award was given on May 12, 2021, and it was a certificate of recognition as the Best National Nurse of the Year 2021 in Nursing Innovation. This was from Ministry of Health and Tanzania National Nurses Association. Today, Wilson encourages young people, especially young nurses, to be innovators or researchers in the nursing profession. His life example teaches us to follow our dreams no matter how great. Let's take a moment to welcome and recognize Mr. Wilson Fungameza. Will you join us? Please sign up now for the conference, as we would love to see you there.